You bought your car online. Nobody offered you a warranty. Here's how to fix that. So you just scored a killer deal on Facebook Marketplace, eBay Motors, or maybe from a private seller off Craigslist. You're feeling pretty great about the price, right? But there's a catch. If something goes wrong, you are completely unprotected. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to get that vital safety net for your ride in plain English.
Okay, let's dive right in. See, when you buy a car peer-to-peer or online, you get an awesome price, but you completely skip the dealership's finance office. And look, no finance office means nobody offered you coverage. It's this massive coverage gap that literally nobody warns you about. You drive off the seller's driveway, the factory warranty runs out, and boom, you are totally on your own for repair bills. Listen, it's absolutely not your fault you weren't offered a vehicle service contract. But carrying that huge financial risk all by yourself, yeah, we need to fix that. Well, the best part is how radically easy this is to fix with DriveOne Direct. Seriously, you don't have to jump through any hoops or fill out mountains of paperwork. All you need is the smartphone right in your pocket. You just snap a quick photo of your bill of sale, upload it, and you get a price estimate in about a minute. Boom! That is it. It's just a modern, lightning-fast way to bridge that coverage gap instantly.
So what exactly are we covering here? Just to be super clear up front, this is a vehicle service contract. It is not insurance. It's designed to step in and protect the major mechanical systems that are most likely to stick you with a massive 4-figure repair bill. We're talking about comprehensive protections for the big stuff: your engine, your transmission, the electrical systems, AC and refrigerant, steering and brakes. Basically, the absolutely critical, really expensive components that keep your car moving. Now, the real secret sauce here is predictability. When one of those major systems inevitably acts up, you won't be staring down a heart-stopping $2,000 or $3,000 repair bill out of pocket. Instead, for any covered repair visit, you just pay a flat $100 deductible. That's it, $100. It literally turns what could be a total financial disaster into a completely predictable, manageable, minor expense. And here's where it gets incredibly convenient for you. You're not forced to drag your car back to some specific, out-of-the-way dealership to get it fixed. You can book a repair at any ASE-certified shop nationwide. Honestly, this is a game changer. It means you have the ultimate freedom to use thousands of trusted, vetted, independent mechanics across the entire country. So whether you're just down the street from home or halfway across the country on a road trip, you are covered. But hold on, because protecting your engine is really only half the battle. There's a second major risk you face as an owner, and it's called diminished value. So if you get into a fender bender, your standard auto insurance pays to physically fix the damage, right? But even after a literally perfect repair, your vehicle now has an accident history permanently stamped on its Carfax report. Because of that ugly mark, your car suffers a permanent loss of resale value. And guess what? That's a loss your auto insurance does not cover. To put that into perspective, the math here is honestly staggering. Picture two identical vehicles. Same year, same mileage, same exact condition. The one with a squeaky clean report commands a $35,000 trade-in value. But the one with an accident reported, the dealer's offer plummets all the way down to $25,000. It hurts, right? Well, DriveOne includes a diminished value benefit that actually pays out to help restore that lost buying power when it's time to trade in. It perfectly covers the gap that your auto insurance leaves behind. Now you might be thinking, okay, how do I actually pay for this without completely draining my bank account today? Well, they've completely removed the financial friction. DriveOne Direct offers highly accessible 0% payment plans. You can get this rolling with just 5% down. You can stretch your payments out for up to 30 months. And the absolute best part, no credit check. None. It's super straightforward and designed to easily fit into everyday budgets. So please don't just drive around hoping your engine holds together or risking thousands of dollars in lost trade-in value. Lock in that peace of mind today. Just grab your bill of sale, pull out your phone, and head over to driveonedirect.com to get your price in about a minute. Because, let's be real, the question isn't whether your used car will eventually need a major repair. The real question is whether you'll be the one stuck paying for it when it does.